Imagine that you are driving a car on a busy road and suddenly feel pain in your chest, thinking that you have a heart attack. And if you're lucky enough, you reach the hospital, but the doctors tell you that's not the case. Then what was it? It was a panic attack. It is an unpredictable state that even a healthy person might have a sudden intense episode of the rising feeling of fear. If you think that nothing like that can happen to you, then you are definitely wrong. The medical research revealed that around 13% of people would experience at least one panic attack in their lifetime. So, there is a chance that you might face a similar situation at least once in your life. Yeah, it is scary. But you don't have to worry. In this article, we are going to discuss panic attacks, their symptoms, and how to stop them, just for you. What is a panic attack? A panic attack is a sudden fear that causes intense physical reactions, even though there is no apparent cause or danger. When a panic attack occurs, people often think they are losing control, having a heart attack, or even dying. While panic attacks are common, many people experience only one or two in their lifetime. The problem usually goes away after the stressful circumstance triggering the panic attack is resolved. However, someone with unexpected panic attacks who live in constant fear of when the next panic attack may occur may have a condition called panic disorder. Symptoms of a panic attack. The common symptoms that a person experiences during a panic attack are chest pain or discomfort, nausea, shaking or trembling, shortness of breath, abdominal pain, racing heartbeat, fear of going crazy or dying. These symptoms occur with a feeling of derealization and depersonalization. You lose control of yourself, and your sense of focus disconnects you from everything else while making you feel a stroke to an intense level. The 6 effective techniques to stop a panic attack. If you have already faced such a situation before, you can better understand how essential it is to learn the necessary steps to stop a panic attack before it happens again. But even if you never had a panic attack experience, it is still a wise option to know how to handle it. It can save you from a frightening experience and prepare you for an unforeseen situation. Acceptance of reality. You must recognize that these symptoms aren't real. The physical sensations that you feel are not real. Keep reminding yourself that it's a temporary state caused by a trigger, and it will go away. Have a place to go. Change your surroundings until your symptoms calm down. When you have intense feelings or fears or symptoms similar to a panic attack, you must train your mind to go to places like a coffee shop, cafeteria, park, etc. It can help divert your attention from yourself. Practice deep breathing. As shortness of breath is one of the most common symptoms of a panic attack, practicing deep breathing can help overcome this difficulty. It can also help with hyperventilation. Give your brain a task. Close your eyes and start a task of saying alphabets or count imaginary objects in your mind. As it engages your brain in an activity while interrupting your brain's negative thoughts, it will help you forget about the overwhelming sensory information causing a panic attack. Do physical exercise for relaxation. Exercising daily and getting proper sleep can also help to lower your susceptibility to panic attacks. Exercise helps uplift your emotions and reduce stress. On the other hand, quality sleep can make it easier to manage disturbing situations and negative emotional responses that accompany them. Find a focus object. To distract yourself, you have to find a point or object to focus all of your attention on during a panic attack. Pick one object and consciously note everything about it possible. When to see a specialist. If you are wondering whether your symptoms are bad enough that you need help, here are signs to look for. You're having physical problems. You're striving to make it through each day. You're having thoughts of suicide. You're turning to drugs or alcohol. You're avoiding people and places. A panic attack is an intense feeling that makes you feel psychological and physical state changes. It can happen to anyone, anytime. So, it's better to learn some useful techniques as they might come in handy someday. However, if you have frequent bouts of panic attacks, you should speak with a specialist. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to be a part of our health campaign, please subscribe our channel for latest videos and do not forget to send your valuable comments.